Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing about law of attraction, astrology, Vedic astrology, and a little bit of fitness tips. And I will be also creating some meditation videos and chanting videos, which you can easily follow and experience the meditation. And in detail, I'll be discussing more on the law of attraction and some of the tricks and tips on how you can manifest things easily using some techniques. Few clarification on confusions, and if any questions anybody has, and if you put it on the comments, I'll be happy to answer them with my experience that I have. And if I cannot answer them, I'll try to find an answer and get back to you on that. Whatever content that I'm speaking in this channel is more of my experience and my study of various books and listening to various authors and a lot of videos on YouTube. And I don't go by the content that I just read, but I go with something that I experience, and I see if either me or someone who has followed it and whom I really trust, and if they have experienced a difference by using any of these techniques, then I will believe that, and I would suggest, or I would be speaking about such techniques in the videos only when I feel very very comfortable about it and when I trust those processes. And I'm inspired by various books. The starting book that introduced me to this law of attraction is obviously The Secret, and I have begun my journey from reading Secret to reading a lot of books and following the authors of those books and getting a lot of knowledge out of it. And through experience, I have gained some own techniques and how things manifest at what time. And my main the experiment that I am doing right now, is to club the Vedic astrology with the law of attraction. I know that a lot of us, we try to think of creating manifesting something, and we cannot. And there could be many reasons why we are not able to do it. And my experiment right now, the research that I am doing right now, is more about how to club the Vedic astrology to manifest a specific thing that you want by praying or by showing gratitude or by any other technique that we heard from various authors, right? And we to see that if it will fasten the process. Sometimes when you pray at the wrong time, things get delayed, and obviously when things get delayed, we get demotivated about it. Rather, finding the right time to perform the right prayer or right way of asking for it to the universe probably makes things faster. And that's the whole point of my experiment here. So I will be discussing separate topics on astrology, separate topics on law of attraction. And point to be noted is that I'm not a certified trainer on law of attraction or astrology. I'm sharing my knowledge here that I have gained through various sources. I'm just saying it in my own words with my experience added to it. And I do not want anybody to take these for granted, and do not make my suggestions as replacement for any of their existing practices or any medication that they are undergoing. This is more of an experiment, and I welcome you all, and practice these techniques and see the difference that is occurring in your life, and ensure that if you are undergoing any other processes or any other medications or any other suggestions that you have from your other guides or coaches or any directions that you are receiving, you continue to follow that, and you can take these as an additional suggestions and see if these works and if these makes your life better. And welcome to the channel once again. I will be starting series soon, one by one, and we will connect in the series. Thank you.